Okay, this is for DrB VIP. Okay, Kat runs the DrB VIP stuff, and so she directs and gets the most out of me and to give to you. But this is so cool. From now on, every last Thursday of each month, I will be hosting a live monthly apprenticeship hour session. Get this, I'll be teaching introductory anatomy and physiology and even giving you techniques on how you can do adjustments at home for loved ones. It's so cool. I've been wanting to do this for freaking ever. As an extra special bonus after the lecture portion, we're going to open the floor to a 30-minute Q&A, question and answer. You don't want to miss this. To register, click below, and I'll see you there. This is something I have been wanting to do for forever. We've got a teaching website that's going to be up and running maybe 3-4 months. But this is everything. To take care of yourself, to take care of others. We're going to cover everything. Anatomy, physiology, neurology, pathology, how your body adapts to the world. Okay, and then the 30-minute question and answer, you can ask anything, like about viruses, about bacteria, funguses, anything. This is the kind of stuff that's going to change the world. I'll see you there.